Raila Amolo Odinga mani bondo wabro go mbaka kendo bang' daka moko matin wadhiane mbele ni ka endi riwruok mar Gavanas pacho ka endi ojiwo sirkal mamalo mondo chop kare dwach loch gwenge kaka yor chiwo luor makende ne manen Prime Minister machon Raila Amolo Odinga. Duol mar Gavanas oywago Odinga kaka jal mane ohero loch gwenge kendo ni kedo aduwa mar tego sirkal mar counties. Kotelnegi kod jalup jakom mar COG Mutahi Kahiga nokoni Odinga biro par kuom luche mag lwenje manogoyo mondo mi dongruok kitelo makare kod demokrasia.
Kenya has lost a great statesman, a man who has spent his 80 years fighting for justice, social justice, and every kind of right of human rights. At the Council of Governors, we consider Baba the father of devolution. He speaks devolution, eats devolution, sleeps devolution, and the only way we can honor his spirit is by fully implementing the 2010 Constitution around devolution. We must also remember that at critical times, when this country needed a voice that was sober, he stepped in to give us peace. We do not have another country, to quote him, and Kenya is our only country. The only thing we can do, even during this time of mourning, is to request all of us, in humility, to respect the spirit of Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga and maintain peace in the country. Let us give him